You are listening to The Vocal Technologist. Spoken tech for your ears.
Welcome back to The Vocal Technologist. We're going to jump right into some really fascinating headlines from tech and science today. Got quite a mix, and the goal here is pretty simple. Cut through the noise, get you the key insights fast.
Exactly. We're looking at everything from, well, truly massive AI deals and hardware leaks to some pretty profound bioethics stuff and even new ways to code. Should give you a really solid overview of what's shifting right now.
Okay, let's kick off with AI. This OpenAI and Oracle news, I mean, wow. A potential $30 billion a year deal for data centers. Just to frame that, Oracle's total cloud revenue estimate for fiscal 25 was, what, $24.5 billion? This is huge.
It is absolutely colossal. And, it really signals the sheer scale of infrastructure that AI demands now. It's not just about algorithms anymore. It's about raw physical compute power. And Oracle, well, maybe a surprising partner for some, but they clearly have what OpenAI needs.
Yeah, I guess Oracle's celebrating that one.
You'd think so. It kind of reshapes the cloud landscape, doesn't it? This immense need for specialized infrastructure.
Staying with AI, but shifting to Apple. Sounds like there's some internal tension there. Reports say leadership stopped the open sourcing of core AI models. The reason? Fear of showing performance compromises made for running on the device itself.
Right. And that's very Apple. Keep things locked down.
Yeah.
But in the AI research world, that's almost countercultural. The open approach tends to drive innovation faster.
So what's the fallout from that secrecy? Does Apple Intelligence stand a chance if they keep it all walled off?
Well, the immediate hit seems to be talent. Reports of people leaving for places like Meta, which is much more open. It creates a bit of a confidence issue internally, you could say. It's a big bet, really. They're gambling that their integrated hardware-software advantage outweighs the benefits of open collaboration that everyone else is leveraging. We'll have to see.
And then there's the user side of AI. Google's AI overviews. The research suggests search clicks are dropping, significantly. People see the AI summary and just stop browsing. That sounds like a potential earthquake for content creators, right?
Oh, absolutely. It's more than just a shift. It forces a whole new strategy. You can't just aim for the click anymore. Your content needs to be the definitive answer that the AI might summarize. It really changes the SEO game, challenges the whole model as how we find information online.
Okay, let's switch gears to hardware. Apple Foldable rumors. Again, what's the latest whisper?
Yeah, the target seems to be the second half of 2026. The specs floating around mention a 7.8-inch inner display, 5.5-inch outer.
How does that stack up, say, against Samsung's Fold?
So the Fold 7 is rumored to be a bit bigger, 8-inch inner, 6.5-inch outer. But the potentially interesting bits for Apple are this rumored crease-free display. That'd be a big deal if they pull it off. And also using a Touch ID power button instead of Face ID. Kind of different.
Interesting. Okay, moving from tech hardware to human futures. This mitochondrial donation news feels really significant. Healthy children born using this technique, it's genuinely opening doors for families facing devastating inherited diseases, a new reproductive option.
It's a profound advancement, no question. Offers incredible hope.
But you flagged the potential ethical dimension, the designer genetics concern. Are we moving too fast? Maybe.
Well, it's definitely something we need to talk about because these changes are heritable. They pass down generations. So while we celebrate the relief it brings families now, we also have to grapple responsibly with the long-term implications. It's that classic balancing act between progress and caution.
Right. A complex conversation. Finally, let's touch on AI in development. This idea of Vibecoding or agentic coding. Saw this example of a developer building a system to crawl 1 billion web pages in about a day.
Yeah, and the truly wild statistic was that less than 4% of the code was actually written by a human.
Wow.
Exactly. It shows this shift where the developer isn't just typing code, but more like orchestrating AI agents to do the heavy lifting. Huge potential boost for productivity, even if you still need human oversight to catch where the AI might miss things or get it wrong. The learnings here could really change how complex systems are built.
So wrapping this all up, it's just an incredible pace, isn't it? Massive AI deals, tech giants wrestling with strategy, genuine biological breakthroughs, totally new ways of creating software.
It really is. A mix of amazing possibilities and, well, some pretty tricky challenges emerging all at once.
And that brings us to this idea you mentioned, the holy shit gap.
Yeah, it's this emerging reality where incredibly powerful customized software and solutions are becoming possible, but maybe only for those with enormous resources. It raises this critical question for you, for all of us, really. As tech gets exponentially more powerful, how do we ensure access and equity? What happens if that gap just keeps growing?
Definitely something to think about. Keep questioning, stay curious about where all this is heading. Thanks for joining us.
Spoken Tech for your ears.